First move is pincher barrage. Pwede ka maglakad. Tsaka yung second move is giant leap. And third ability is acid stick. And fourth ability is laser claws. And M1's is 1, 2. Okay, bye.